GTC is definitely one of our biggest events that we do. It encapsulates industries from healthcare to gaming to automotive.
We spend a lot of energy and time and blood, sweat, and tears to present it in the best light possible.
And this year, we full-on went into Omniverse for our GTC presentation.
Creating a digital version of our CEO is a big deal. We had so many variety of Jensen to pick from. We had 21 versions and different varying performance. And it was actually getting hard to choose between the 21.
I focused a lot on Drive Sim and helping them build real-time asynchronous rendering worlds. This was maybe like 3 weeks out from when we needed to deliver recording. And we went up to record and the vehicles would all sit there and then they move, but their wheels all stay behind. But yeah, we fixed that bug.
When you have effects such as physics and fluid, they're in Omniverse because artists ask for it and the developers listen.
Our creative team is now an extension of our engineering team, which is really remarkable. I doubt that happens in many other places, if any.